guys, it's me and my sister today. We've got a evil dog in our house. Like evil dog in our house, and we don't know what to do about it. Do you want to go see if he's still in the room? He's there. Guys, I feel hands on me. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. We're in this little cave thingy. Oh my gosh, guys. That scared me. I thought the dog was scaring me. So, yeah. Okay, let's go. No, then don't talk in it. Okay, so guys, we're in a safe spot. So let me just talk to my friend for a sec. So guys, stay there. You're not in it. Okay. Let's go. Come on, guys. Let's try to figure out where this dog is from. Let me turn off the TV. Come on, guys. Oh my God, there's an evil dog. Evil dog. Ah! Run! That is the evil dog I've ever seen. It has red eyes, it has red, there's blood everywhere. Let me try patting. Wait a minute. Is that our dog? We have a dog that looks the exact same. Wait, hold the camera. Hold the camera. Hold on. Let me look at his eyes. They're not red. Wait. Where's the other dog? Let's find it. Come on. You say come on. Come on, guys. Whoa. Guys. What is this? Seriously, guys, what is this? We don't have beds in this way. Then must have someone has it. Oh, it's so cool. But we need to figure it out where this dog is. And we need to figure out where it came from. What? Okay, guys, let's find it. This is the safest spot in our house, so I don't think it will be able to get us here. So let's see if Let's see
Did
if
it
it's here.
just give us all a treat?
Yeah, he's really good.
Can you hold it while I do it?
I split it. That's
Okay, guys, come here. Watch us.
he's really good. Emma, you do it first.
Yes. Let me see it. Up. Up.
No, you have to hold it.
Up.
I don't think he's in the mood. Wait. Emmy. Look at his eyes. Run.
One.
Run. 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 Just throw it at him and he'll eat it. God, that's the evil dog. That's the guys.
Guys,
Come on.
we need to drink of water.
Quickly, Sis. Just use a water bottle. Why do you always use cups? It's not gross. Here, just use this.
Wait till that.
Mine.
Are you sure?
Yes, it is. Look, the sticker says Make a Heatley on it.
That's chases.
I know. Bring it with you so we can use it if we need to. Okay, let's go. We're going to go to another one of the safe spots in our house where no one can get in. So this is one of the
This is
other...
basically where we have to live now.
But this is called the... Does anyone know what this is called? Check down in the link and I'll show you for part 2.
Type it down in the comments.
Yeah, type it down in the comments.
We're not going to end right now, but we'll tell you in part 2. So we basically have to live here now.
Yeah, but there's still food, but it's fake food, so...
No, it's not. We've got real food. I bring a bucket of real food in here.
Okay, that's good. And we can do some craft stuff.
And I also got some water.
Good. So guys...
Okay, so I'm just gonna...
I'm gonna put you guys here if you can. Can you see us? Perfect.
Emmy, look, you're the angel that you
Where?
had when you were little.
You like it?
Yeah, I forgot we drew those.
No, we were like 6 when I drew that.
Yeah, but now we're like 18.
Pardon?
Now we're like 18.
Now we're like 18. Oh yeah. We drew the angel when we were 6 years old. And now we're 18 years old.
Okay, so...
And we're just going to listen to some music.
No. It's Chase's mic.
Is it?
Yeah, see? Mic.
Can you hear? Can I have a go?
Right. It connected. So guys, we don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. Yeah, put that on. So like,
So guys, I'm going to put on my mic. We have the same, but she has the same, but this one's mine right now, so
I'll grab mine.
I have a mic.
Grab mine. So I'm just gonna put. So she's just gonna put her mic.
Okay, so I'm going to put mine on the table and she's going to get hers.
Here's my mic. But we just don't know what to do, so
Yeah.
about this dog. I think it's our dog, but he keeps transforming.
Into different dog.
I never realized we got this type of dog. So